Hi folks, just wanted to show you something that I picked up on eBay in the last couple of days. It is this little Secomak GP3 siren. It's made by a guy called Flamethrower Guy on YouTube, and he makes lots of little 3D printed air raid sirens. I think one of the coolest ones, the way I found them originally, is the Broadmoor sirens that he did. And they have the big shutters on the side, and it's amazing bit of workmanship, and the design of this is superb. Really nice. Runs off 6 volts. You can go right down to 4 volts, but apparently on 6 volts it sounds just like the real thing. I did unbox it on camera, and unfortunately the audio was so out of sync. I tried to sync it up and it just wouldn't work. So unfortunately there's no unboxing, but you do still get to see the siren, and you will get to hear it as well. So I've actually got a little bit of blue tack here that I'm going to stick just to stop it from rattling all over the place, because I'm sure it'll want to move. Let me see, that should be sufficient just to hold it. Move the camera over a bit. Okay, and I've got a little bit of cable here. So eventually what I'll do is I'll put a little switch on this, and I'll be able to run it that way. So I've got my bench power supply here, and I've got it set to 6 volts exactly. So let's see how loud it is. 1, 2, 3, go. That's absolutely fantastic. That's so much. I mean, I'd seen the video of this being tested, and it sounds great with a set of headphones on, but it sounds incredible in person. Like, absolutely incredible. Like, hold on. Wow. I'm really impressed with that. Really impressed with that. It's, yeah, the construction alone, the little integrated feet are lovely. That's exactly like the real thing. I had actually put pieces of wood on mine, just to give it a bit more support on the table. But I remember taking these off on mine and cleaning them. And even these were access to the brushes inside. The rain on the shed probably. So actually a really nice sunny day, and it's just all of a sudden just started raining. The junction box, I remember replacing the junction box. Flip me. Yeah, this is superb. Absolutely superb. If you'd like one, or if you'd like to follow the guy on YouTube, I'll drop a link in the description to his channel. And every now and again he makes a few of these and sticks them up on eBay, and that basically gives him money to make better designs. I've commissioned him to make me a gents siren, exactly like the one I'm restoring at the moment. And if that goes well, I'll probably get a Castle Castings as well, because I'd like to have all 3 of the sirens that I have owned. And yeah, that's really nice. So the reason why I wanted to get this was for this reason. I will be able to hook that up. My friend Mike, who made me that box there, that controls this. Well, they both sort of control each other. But he's going to make me another box that I can do the attack warning via the siren. So I can sound the attack warning with this little siren. So I'm going to have a box, and then I'll have that siren somewhere mounted, just stuck on with, double-sided sticky tape or something. It doesn't have to be on anything crazy. I'm not going to glue it on or anything like that there. Maybe a couple of little small screws, actually. If those feet will accept a couple of small screws, I'll, have a little small piece of plastic or something that will be sitting down on top of that. So then when I sound the attack warning with the siren, this will go off. And I just wanted something small, not too loud, that it's going to scare the living daylights out of people. If I'm doing it in an old people's home or something, doing a talk about the Cold War, I don't want to petrify people. So a little siren like that is absolutely perfect. Now, the larger one he makes, the gent siren that he's making for me, is a lot bigger. It's a bigger siren, and it's actually going to be 240 volt. So that would be too loud to use indoors, in my opinion. I may use that at the bunker outside, so I can show people, what the siren sounded like, outside. and I can run that off my generator at the post as well. So that'll be excellent. That'll be a nice little feature to have. But yeah, just wanted to show you this very, very quickly. This awesome little Secomak GP3 Siren. And my hat's off to the maker. He has done an absolutely sensational job with this. And if you want to get your hands on one, follow his channel. And the next time he has one for sale, you can jump onto eBay and you can get it. But listen, folks, as always, thank you very, very much for watching. See you all again next time. Bye-bye.